The National Weather Service in Dallas-Fort Worth has issued a tornado watch for Red River County, Franklin County, Hopkins County, Delta County until 6:30 Central Standard Time. A tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds. While severe weather might not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions.
Hey there, people of Earth. I'm Carly Shay, and this is our very first webcast of a little show we call iCarly.
She's Carly.
She's Sam.
Sam I am.
Carly, Sam.
I think they're clear.
Demonstrate the thing.
Oh yeah, with this on.
The National Weather Service in Dallas-Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for Red River County, Franklin County, Hopkins County until 4:11 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:41 Central Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. The storm was located 8 miles southwest of Clarksville, moving southwest at 45 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. If you live in the Bogota and Sulphur Springs area, seek shelter now. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate and find cover now. If no cover is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch.